All righty, guys, here we are. Another day in the stock market. And let me tell you, guys, it's not looking so pretty today. And you guessed it, we have to break down the charts, what I'm looking to do, the indexes, stocks I'm looking at. But first, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And of course, take a sip of your coffee and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Check out that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. You guys see right here. Fund it with at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's the best deal on the market right now. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers again. Let's get into it. So it's about 10:30, 10:45 a.m. right now on the East Coast. So, we're still pretty early on in the day here. The stock market just opened pretty much. But like I said, guys, we are down across the board. The Russell's down, over 0.5%. QQQ's down 0.3. S&P and the Dow, each of those are down about 0.1%. And we have the metals down. Oh my God, silver's down almost 4% today. So silver is getting hit. Gold's down 2%. Gold's getting hit as well. And oil's down. The VIX is down. You name it. Everything is in the red right now. But we do have some stocks moving up, which we'll talk more about later in the video. Make sure you guys stick on throughout. And look, honestly, guys, SPY looks like it might want to go green later in the day. It's only 10:30, 10:40 a.m. right now. We still have many hours of trading. And, to you, does this not look like SPY's trying to reverse to the upside? Look, we opened up at about 606.40, fell down to about 605.10, and now we are rocketing back over these moving averages. We're pushing 607 here, and we're up around, about 0.3% off the intraday low here on SPY and QQQ. You guys might be able to see the same thing. Yeah, we're breaking out of these moving averages on the intraday. We're seeing a nice V-shaped recovery off the lows. We're up almost 0.5%. So, guys, even though we're down, we are red across the board right now after favorable CPI data, which came out yesterday, which we covered in my video last night. I think ultimately we could rebound. We could rally. This might go green. That's kind of what we're noticing right now with the breakout, the reversal, or the start of the reversal on the intraday, on QQQ, and on SPY. And on the Dow, let's pull the Dow up really quickly, guys, because the Dow and the Russell look a little different. Yeah, Dow actually just took the lows out from yesterday. This doesn't look like it wants to reverse on the 5-day or the intraday, so keep that in mind. The Dow does not look that bullish at all, even though it's in the red, like SPY, like QQQ. Those look a bit more bullish on the intraday than the Dow here. The Russell probably looks pretty bad as well. Yeah, the Russell does not look bullish at all. So keep that in mind. SPY, QQQ look like they might reverse, maybe go green later in the day, but the Russell and the Dow, they don't look like that. It's actually far from it as of now on the intraday charts. But what do you guys see? What do you guys see? Let me know down below in the comment section. And by the way, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what to tell you. I think 75% of you guys watch the content, but you're not subscribing for some reason. So make sure to do it. It takes a second. It's free, and we're trying to get to 50,000 subs here, guys, very soon. Whether it's the end of the year, by the end of the year, by the end of January, we're trying to get there, guys. And I can't do it without you, and I appreciate all of you guys as always. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's talk about some stocks. So Warner Brothers Discovery, man, WBD is the ticker. This thing is up 13% on the day, and I am kicking myself for not buying some shares in the $7-8 range. I mean, this is a stock that we don't talk about all the time by any means here on the channel, but we have touched upon it here and there over the course of the last year or two, right? And this stock has been, well, now it's at about 12, $13, but that wasn't the case for months. I mean, I thought this thing was dead in the water, you know? I mean, that's why I was considering, well, not dead in the water in the sense that it's a dead investment per se, but it just didn't move for months on months. It kind of looked like SoFi's chart here, but obviously SoFi broke out heavily. Now I guess WBD is as well. But the point is, WBD was flat for months. I thought it wasn't going to move. I mean, eventually, you know, it was bound to make a move up or down. But this thing was not looking good. I mean, look, we were at we were in the single dollar range for over a year, $10, $12 range for about, a year before that. So WBD, it's about dang time. Now, clearly, momentum's been building up ever since really their earnings. We got earnings back in the beginning of November, so about a month. It's been about a month now of straight up rallying. We're up 43% in the past month. Today we're up, like I said, 13%. We got some news. Let's see here, guys. Warner Brothers stock soars on corporate restructuring plans. So we'll see how that goes. Warner Brothers Discovery restructuring into 2 divisions to boost strategic flexibility. Let's see here. Global linear networks and streaming and studios. So I guess they're breaking it up a little bit. Yeah, I mean, that's going to be interesting. Looks like KeyBank maintains overweight on Warner Brothers Discovery, raised their price target to $14. That was 2 days ago. So that probably pushed the stock up even more, or at least it gave investors and traders more, I guess, affirmation, or it reaffirmed investors and traders. Either way, the stock's moving, guys. Momentum is there, so we got to watch it. Celsius is also moving 6.5% in the green, and we're not necessarily, excuse me, guys, calling the bottom here on Celsius. We don't know when that's going to be, obviously, but I am kind of seeing a bullish divergence a little bit here on Celsius. I mean, we've been holding the mid-high 20s, low 30s now for a good 2-3 months. So I don't know. Is this the bottom? It's risky. We don't know. It could go a lot lower. I have no idea. But we are seeing some signs. Again, consolidation, bullish divergence. We're starting to pop out of these moving averages for the first time on the 4-hour chart here. In about a month and a half, 2 months. So maybe Celsius, guys, although I'm not in love with it as a long-term investment, maybe it could be one of those shorter-term trades, maybe a runner, a swing trade. We'll see. We'll see for sure. And I'm going to set my alert at, let's say, $32.50 for now. I'll do it there, $32.50, and we'll see what Celsius ends up doing. But that is moving right now. Looks like ARM Holdings is moving as well, which we covered. I think in my email, which I sent out on Monday. It's free, by the way, to join the email list, guys. I sent out that email to over 1,700 people, guys. So if you want to be a part of the free email list, it's in the description box. Also, maybe pinned in the comment section if I remember. But yeah, ARM Holdings in a wedge, clear as day here on the 4-hour chart, and that's starting to play out. You guys see we're making higher lows, lower highs. We have been for months, and now we're breaking out of the wedge. We're above both moving averages. We're taking out the highs from a week ago, from the last couple of weeks. So now, guys, ARM Holdings, oh my God, man. Voice cracks in today's video. I don't know what's going on, guys. Hit that like button, man. Help me out. Hopefully my voice clears up a little bit. But where can we go? Well, 155, that was the high from the beginning of November. End of October, we hit 158. We could go there. After that, maybe 160s, where we were back in the middle of October. And we'll see where we go from that point. But guys, overall, even though the overall stock market indexes are in the red right now, we're still looking good on a bunch of stocks. And guys, some setups I'm noticing right now are hard not to pay attention to, like ARM Holdings right here. ARM is the ticker symbol. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, check out the Patreon if you want to see me build out my real money portfolio, have access to me throughout the week, my charts, ideas, Discord, all of that good stuff. That's linked down below. And if you want some free money, which actually, if you do this, then you'll have, enough money to join the Patreon easily, right, guys? So if you want some free money, you want to game the system a little bit, check out that Moomoo link down below. Fund your account with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. So we're talking, guys, 15 free stocks with a $1,000 deposit. That's a good return right there. And your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1%. So guys, if you want to take advantage of this deal, check out that link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next one.